In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an email account in Pipedrive CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your synced emails visible to your team, so collaboration is smoother and everyone stays on the same page. First, head to your settings. Inside Pipedrive, the settings area is where you control how your email behaves across the account. Once you're there, look for Email Sync. This is the section that manages your connected mailbox and how messages flow into Pipedrive. If your email is already synced, this is the place where you can fine-tune visibility so your team can see the conversations that matter. Next, select your email account. If you've connected more than one mailbox, choose the one you want to share. Opening the connected email brings up the configuration panel specific to that inbox, and that's where we'll change who can see the emails synced into Pipedrive. Now find the option labeled Default Email Visibility. This setting controls how emails synced from this account are shown inside Pipedrive by default. Change it to Shared, Visible to All. With this selection, your teammates will be able to view emails that are linked to the same contacts, organizations, or deals they can access. It's great for transparency and ensures that handoffs and follow-ups aren't missed. Keep in mind that this changes the default behavior for emails going forward. You can still adjust visibility on individual items if you need to keep something private. It's also a good practice to be mindful of messages that include sensitive or unrelated personal content before sharing broadly. After you choose the shared option, make sure you save your changes. Look for the Save button and confirm. Once saved, the new visibility setting will apply as your emails continue to sync. Depending on your sync schedule, it might take a moment before you see the effect reflected across your deals and contacts. If your team needs a more centralized workflow, you can optionally use the Team Account feature. Click Reconfigure as Team Account to transform the connected mailbox into a shared team inbox within Pipedrive. This is ideal for addresses like support or sales, where multiple users need to read and reply from the same mailbox. Just be aware that sending on behalf of a shared inbox can require proper permissions in your email provider. And it's wise to agree on naming conventions and reply etiquette to keep communication consistent. That's it. Your email account is now shared in Pipedrive, helping your team collaborate with clarity and confidence.